Baffled by Crunchyroll's language settings? Let's get you watching your anime, drama, or movie in the right language, pronto. This is how to change audio and subtitles. Go to the Crunchyroll website and navigate to your account settings. The language settings are usually located in the account section. Find the Subtitle Language drop-down menu. This controls the language of the subtitles you see on screen. Click the drop-down menu to reveal all the available subtitle language options. Select your preferred language from the list. For example, choose English if you want English subtitles. Now, look for the audio language drop-down menu. This controls the language you hear. Note that not all shows have multiple audio language options. Click the audio language drop-down menu to see the available audio tracks. Choose your preferred audio language. Most shows will have the original Japanese audio, but some offer English or other language dubs. Don't forget to click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page to apply your new language settings. Now your Crunchyroll should be playing content with your desired language settings. Enjoy!